Mga kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Yesto. And for today's episode 23, mga must-try drinks by OhMyTea Bubble Teas. OhMyTea Bubble Teas is authentic Thailand and Taiwanese milk teas and bubble drinks here in Iloilo City. They are located at ground floor, Robinsons Place, Taro, Iloilo City. Open for pick-up and delivery starting 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. And for delivery, details, and full list of menus, I'll be providing description down below. And this episode is semi-sponsored by OhMyTea. Yung apat na drinks po is my own personal pick, and yung isang drink po is their sponsored drink. And disclaimer lang po, is my own personal opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nos! So I have here drinks and bestsellers by OhMyTea Bubble Teas. So these are all medium size and also extra large. So let's start mga nos. For our first drink, under fruit teas, this is their strawberry fruit tea for medium size, 85 pesos. And by the way mga nos, lahat po ng drinks dito, yung sugar level nila is between 30 to 50%. Ito yung strawberry fruit tea nila, sakto-sakto yung kanilang tea essence, which is good. And also yung strawberry, sakto yung sugar level niya. And for the sweetness, tamang-tama yung percentage na between 30 to 50. So for the pearls, sobrang daming pearls niya for medium size. And for this fruit tea, balance yung tea essence at the same time strawberry flavor. Our next drink under Thai series, this is their Thai Matcha for medium size, 99 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Thai Matcha. On point siya when it comes to Thai Matcha essence na hinahanap ko. Hindi siya yung typical na matcha flavor or matcha milk tea. May konting twist siya for its Thai Matcha. Yung milk niya, well-balanced naman siya, very creamy. For our next drink, under salted caramel cream, is their Assam salted caramel cream for medium size, 130 pesos. Ito yung kanilang Assam salted caramel cream, perfectly blend flavors for this drink. Hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness, hindi siya nag-overpower sa cream, sa salted. Next drink, under Yakult Fusion, is their Peach Mango Yakult for extra large, 105 pesos. So far sa lahat po ng drinks na tikman ko, perfectly proportion yung kanilang sugar level, which is good. Naging consistent sila when it comes to their specific flavor in each category. Peach Mango Yakult, ito tama-tama yung sweetness ng peach, ng mango. At the same time, yung Yakult essence niya, which best complement for this drink. By the way mga nos, lahat po ng 4 drinks dito is my own personal pick. Binayaran ko in my own personal expense. For last but not the least drink, and their new drink is their White Rabbit Candy Bubble Drink for extra large, 135 pesos. Yung drink na to, meron siyang kasamang White Rabbit. Ayan, sa mga batang 90s. Ito yung kanilang White Rabbit Candy Bubble Drink. Similar taste siya ng Crème Brulee. Yes po, legit at napakasarap yung White Rabbit Candy for their milk tea product. Naging true sila when it comes to its flavor. So far, sila pa lang yung milk tea brand na nag-introduce ng White Rabbit here sa Iloilo City, especially sa mall base. Okay, for rating mga nos, for strawberry fruit tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Thai Matcha, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Assam salted caramel cream, I'll give this a perfect 10. Peach Mango Yakult, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for their new product and sponsored product, White Rabbit Candy Bubble Drink, I'll give this a perfect 10. So yung OhMyTea mga nos, initial taste test ko na siya twice. Unang taste test ko is hindi pa ako nag-vlog. Tapos yung second is yung buy one take one anniversary nila. First time kong matry yung bestsellers and at the same time yung kanilang new drink na si White Rabbit. Ito combination ng Thailand and Taiwanese milk tea, and drinks. At yung pearls niya, very soft, tapos very easy to eat. Yung nag-stand out talaga sa akin is Assam Salted Caramel Cream. In-expect ko siya matamis, pero on point talaga siya at hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness. Hindi nagsasapawan yung bawat flavor for this drink. Yakult and fruit tea, ito very refreshing and very healthy drink. Ito magandang option to for niyo yung healthy products. And by the way, yung strawberry fruit tea nila, ito lasang-lasa mo talaga yung tea essence niya, which is good. And sa lahat po ng mga mahilig sa Thailand drinks, ito mas prefer ko si Thai Matcha nila. And yung kanilang new product and sponsored product, ito na surprise ako kasi ina-expect ko when it comes to White Rabbit candy, matamis siya. Matamis siya, pero perfectly creamy. Nandun talaga yung White Rabbit essence niya. Sobrang sarap niya. Tapos hindi ko siya expect for a White Rabbit candy. Pwedeng-pwede pala siya for a milk tea product. Maganda dito, they are very kind and very dating when it comes to my requests, especially for the sugar level. Thank you so much, OhMyTea Bubble Teas, for trusting Drinking Nose. I hope na hindi po to yung last na i-feature ko yung amazing products na na-present nyo sa akin. So, OhMyTea Bubble Teas maintains their good service, good quality, very accommodating baristas and owners. Drinking Nose standards approved. Thank you and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga Nose. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesse saying, keep safe and bye!